Well, I see a red light, so I might as well. So, hey, what's good? DIY got here. Come at you with another video. And, I guess this is gonna be my channel update. I've been wanting to make this video since, like, November, December, but, it's January. I might as well do it since it's the new year, 2018. Let's get it. But, what's gonna become of this channel? I'm gonna keep this channel, keep it known as a DIY God, but it's also gonna have vlogs, pranks, challenges, and, reactions. Those are the 4 stuff I'm adding to this channel. If you guys want to see gaming, I have a gaming channel. I might link it in the description. Not too sure. But that'll be taking you to my gaming channel where I do live streams. I upload videos. I have a Discord if you guys want to join that. That'll take you to the app, or you might have to download it on your computer if you're watching this on a computer. But it's where you guys talk to me while I live stream, or when I'm playing games with other people in Dynamic Squad, which I'll link in the description. There's A1 Game 1, Vesperlight, Tyler Hausman, and Thunder. All linked down below. But I don't know what else to say. I mean, thank you guys for 2.7k views on, like, totally on this YouTube channel, and thanks for 300 subscribers. Since I didn't have, like, video for like 300 subscribers and I planned on streaming, but it was too late, I decided, hey, face review, so like you can zoom in on this, you know. But other than that, peace out and say God tier. Peace. Oof, why is this thing so big? Not big, but why is it so tall? Is that good? I think that should be good. I'm still surprised this thing still works. Well, I gotta get that fade on the side, you know? Well, I guess they're good enough, you know? Okay, and the glasses, alright. I didn't even know this thing still worked. Yo, do I look fly with this hood? But like, fam, if I just put my hood like this though, I just covered up my ears, I'm like, well, what if I, for the thumbnail, what if I did it? Dude, like, no, you can see my face. If I had like black paper or something, I put like a question mark. What if I like, or maybe I back this up a little bit? No, we don't want to break that. I back this up a little bit and like, something like that might work actually. This is a test to see if I hear something.